Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to close Rolls Royce door, updated. Gently pull the door inward until you feel resistance, then allow the soft close motor to finish. Use steady pressure, not a sharp shove, and keep fingers away from the hinge and sill. If the door seems heavy or stalls, release and try again with slightly less force. Always check the latch indicator for a secure lock before driving. Start by holding the inner armrest or sturdy handle, never the trim. Pull the door inward evenly until you feel the initial catch engage. Stop applying force and let the soft close mechanism finish the last inch smoothly. If the door resists or slips, open slightly and retry with a steadier pull. Always ensure the door sits flush and the latch shows closed before letting go to prevent misalignment or safety issues. Always keep children and pets away from the door path while closing to prevent injury. Regularly inspect seals, hinges, and the latch area for dirt, wear, or obstructions that could impede the soft close motor. If you notice the soft close failing or making unusual noises, engage the manual catch and schedule professional service. Avoid forcing the door closed repeatedly, as that can damage sensors and alignment over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.